All right, last mission I forgot to show you the Soviet IL-2 named Ace. He had Tactician and Death from Above. His Death from Above gives him a +1. None of his +1s brought him up to a hit on the airfield. Also, the named Ace will tell you what type of IL-2, the two-seater or single-seater. Two-seater's got the tail gunner. Single-seater does not. All right. So for my pot luck, I was going to draw the Intercept Deep Raid 2. Unfortunately, it was the very first card, so I would have got it anyhow. So I wasted my pot luck card. But the Deep Raid 2 lets me have 4 fighters, and I rendezvous with 2 Italian MC-202s at C3. And then we intercept the Soviets at C2. I'm sorry, we rendezvous with the Italians at C3 and intercept the Soviets at C2. If you don't intercept the Soviets at C2, you've got to roll a 4 or more, a 6 for heavy clouds. Failure, you pursue the raid into Milarovo, and they can bomb the airfield. Bombing the airfield is really bad. I was fortunate last mission with the -2 weather modifier, and that really helped me out a lot. I mean, I'd trade the not shooting them down for them missing the airfield. Soviets, their performance at Stalingrad when in bad weather for bombing was poor, so the -2 actually is pretty realistic. Same for IL-2s. When you are diving down low, not being able to center in on your target makes a big difference. All right, so I got to roll for weather. 2, clear skies. So that's good. And I get to take 4 fighters, so I'll go ahead and take my 4 veterans. And we get to take off safely, so we'll roll for an event. 2 is nothing. Go here. 9 is going to be, I'm pretty sure, in the outer defense zone is an in-flight event card. Unwelcome guests intercepted by 1 enemy named Ace, 1 veteran pilot, and 1 experienced pilot, all flying the same type of aircraft. Okay, so I'll have to draw those and get back. All right. So the Soviets drew Evgeny Baselin. He's an LA-5 pilot. And he's got Tactician and Elusive. So the Soviets, when we rolled for surprise on B3, they rolled a 2, and their ace gives them an extra 1, so that became a -1 became a 1, which means they got a +2. So they're in good shape. One thing I did forget was because I'm at 5 campaign points, I get an extra dogfight card, and so we get wing over. All right, so Soviets start out. He goes first, even or odd. No one's damaged. Odd, so he's attacking this gentleman. 5, 1 hit using a B. The named ace comes into play. 2. Roll against a 2. 6, he's fine. He's done. All right, so he's going to come. Actually, we've got what? So we've got an advantage of 2. And our positional advantage requires 3, and my sights is 4. So we don't have any dogfights cards that we can use. So we're just going to come down and attack them normally. 2, miss. He's done. Nine, 2 hits. Using a B. 2, 4. Roll against a 4. 7, he's fine. Dang. It's not what we wanted. Just gonna come in, do the same thing. 8, 2 hits, using a B. I don't think we can shoot him down. 2, 5, 9. Dang. Roll against a 9. 2, he's flipped. And he's done. He's gonna come down and attack our guy here. So he's got Gifted Flyer and Survivor. Gifted Flyer lets him +1 on his damage checks, so hopefully we don't need that. 8, 1 hit. Using a B. 3, man. Could have used that last time. 7, he's fine. He's done. Now we can go head to head against this guy. Or we can pass. Let's go ahead and attack him head to head. Miss, miss. All right, round 2. That was close. All right, Soviets. 3, 6, 9. 6 and 5 is 11. Named ace. 11 and 6, 17 plus 1 is 18. Dang. All right. So we'll roll for my guys in order here. 5 and 7 is 12. 7 and 7 is 14. 3 and 7 is 10. 4 and 7 is 11. All right, no one's flipped, so he's going to go after the first guy. Ten, 2 hits, using a B. 3, 2 is 5. 5 and 2 is 7. Roll against the 7. 1, he's flipped. That was bad. 3, 10, shot down. Dang it. Bail out. Does evade. Nope, captured. So, Lucian is captured. All right. So he's done. He's coming here. Miss. Well, he's got to go head-to-head against him. Miss. 10. 2 hits. He's going to be... Dang it. On his flip side with 9 damage. 3, 6, 9. Holy smokes. So he's got this. So Survivor, he can roll a random, or if he flips, he can re-roll it, or I can take the Gifted Flyer, which gives him a +1. Let's go with the Gifted Flyer, +1. Nope. Ace flipped. So they're done. And he's going here. 7, 1 hit. He's gonna be 2. Roll against a 2. That's fine. All right, round 3. 4, 6 is 10. 2, 6, 8 plus 1 is 9. And their damage guy. 2, 5 is 7. Alright, we'll start out with mine in order here. 2, 9. And that was bad. Damage guy. 4, 6 is 10. And that's bad. Last guy. 9. Holy smokes, was that bad. Alright, freedom of action goes to this guy. So he can go head to head here. He can attack here. Or he can go down here. If he goes down here, this named ace is going to attack the damaged aircraft. And this guy will attack him as well. If I go head to head, he gets a chance to attack me. If I go here, this guy will get a chance to attack me. I'm going to pass, and that'll end his turn. So he's going to come down, even or odd. Even, so we'll go here. So now I can try... I can try my wing over, but if I do that, we'll miss our chance, because then, no matter what, these two will be done, then he'll go head-to-head here, and we'll miss our chance to go there. So we'll risk it and have him attack us. 5, miss, so he's done. All right, so now he's going to go either one, so even or odd. Even. So he's going head-to-head against him. So 12 against 10. So now he could do his wing over if he wanted to, but we're going to go ahead and go for the attack. And both dice are stuck on the thing. So 9 and 1. So he misses, and we get 2 hits. Using a B. 3, 6. Roll against a 6. 6. He's flipped. But he's done. And he's done. So now he's coming down. He's got 1, 2 advantage. And we don't have any dogfight cards that'll help us, so we just got to get a hit here. 6, 1 hit. That's going to shoot him down. 2, so he is shot down. So, bailout, yes. Evade, no. So he gets a victory. It's an LA5. That's his 3rd victory. So these two cancel each other out. And we get 1 point for damaging, 1 mission point for damaging the named ace. So we get our 1 mission point. So now this guy, so he's 1, 2 spaces away from here and 1, 2 spaces away from there. I don't count the diagonal. So we're going to send him back to base. It's clear weather. So clear weather for landing, you get a +1, and he gets a -1 for being damaged, so 3. So he lands safely. So damage is -1 mission point, so we're back to 0. So we've got our guys that are going to rendezvous with the 2 MC202s, which is a experienced and a veteran. And that way at least we got 4 aircraft again. And we'll roll for an event. 8. On the outer defense zone is an event. 8 is an enemy deep raid. Roll on C6. 2 on C6 is going to be 1d3 plus 3 A20s and 2 13th fighters. So 6 A20s and 2 fighters from the 13th. I'll get those and be back.